Kuri na mwihoko kuri aria mamukirite njanjo muthemba wa Astrazeneca gukorwo makiamukira njanjo ya keri ihinda-ini riria riagiriire ona thengia ya bururi wa India kuhitukira COVAX kuga njanjo no ciambiriirie kwamukirwo mwithiini wa mwaka uyu. Director General wa Gima wa Mwiri Dr. Patrick Amoth augite kinyeri na miario na bururi wa DRC Congo gukorwo makirekereria njanjo mirioni 1.3 muthemba wa Astrazeneca iria bururi uyu wamukirite kuma COVAX no matihuthirite.
But within the African Union platform, of course, DRC Congo, for example, did not use the Astrazeneca, so we are also talking of redistribution within the African region. So we are having bilateral discussions with other countries to see if they are not able to use their vaccines. Can we be able to share the global community to make vaccines a public health good for everybody? Because we'll only be safe if everybody else is safe. Right.
Thirikari ni ongereire ihinda ria kugiria thabari cia kuma kana guthie bururi-ini wa India na thiku ingi 30 ikinya riri rikionekana gutacukio kurumirira kuongereka kwa namba ya murimu undu umwe na namba ya ikuire cumanite na murimu wa COVID-19 na kwa muhiano muthenya wa ira bururi uyu urandikithirie ikuũ 4,529.
It was extended for another 30 days on Friday last week.
Thirikari cia kaunti ni ciuritio kwihariria hari kuhurana na murimu wa COVID-19 amu bururi wahota gukorwo ikireka-ini ria kana ria murimu uyu mweri-ini turorete kana mweri-ini wa mugwanja.
We had a meeting yesterday with the county executive committee members for health, which was chaired by CS, and told them to be able to prepare and ramp up their preparations, especially in terms of isolation capacity, critical care, and more specifically supply of oxygen, piping of oxygen. And we told you last time we have received funding from World Bank and we are supporting 16 counties.
Maya mokite oriri gikiro kia ugwatania kirugameire gicunje gia 9.1 hari igana ari andu 376 monekanite na murimu uyu ithabu ria arwaru guku bururi-ini rikirugamira andu 166 342 andu 318 makihona ithabu ria andu aria othe mahonete ari andu 117 235 andu 12 ni makuite na bei andu othe makuite ari 335. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, retora kwani Wanjiru wa Foro.